The materials you'll need are some cardstock or whatever you want to put the foil on, and some foil transfer sheets. This is from Cricut. It comes with 3 different colors and some tape. So it comes with rose gold, silver, and gold. And in the back there's some tape for you to attach this to the paper. And lastly, you'll need a scoring tool. I'll put a link for everything down in the description box. First, what you'll want to do is pick out a sheet. I'm going to use this gold one here, and then I'm going to take a strip of the tape and tape it on. And you just want to make sure that it's taut. Okay, after you've gotten the tape on, you'll want to put this on your cutting mat. And just keep in mind where you've placed it. So as you can see here, it starts around the 1 inch corner. So I want to make sure that my cut image is below that. Now over in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to create some shapes that I want foiled onto my paper. You can do an image if you want, but I'm just going to show you like a basic one. So here's a heart, and since my paper isn't that big, I'm going to make this maybe about 2 inches wide. And here when I go to operation, I'm going to change this to score because I'm using a scoring tool. And maybe you want another one that's a little smaller, like this. Okay, so once you're happy with your design, you're going to attach and select make it. And this is where the measurements are important. So if you remember, my foil was at about 1/1, that's where it started, but there's a little bit of tape, so I'm just going to move it somewhere here. So this is the corner of where my foil started, and I'm just leaving some space for the tape. And you can also check your mat to make sure that this will fit on the mat. For my material, I have the selection for light cardstock on the dial, and now I'm going to load in my mat. Now that it's done cutting out, I'm going to first remove the paper from the mat. And now I can remove the tape. And you want to just slowly peel it away. And you can try to reuse this if you want, like use the space here. But yeah, here you go. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can tell that it's gold foil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!